Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Gulf Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gulfbank.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gulf Bank website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now from the login portal, you can choose your other type of login from the other login section if you wish. And in order to log into your main account, simply type in the username or the email address that you have used while signing up for your account. Then type in your password within the password box and now you can click on the login button which will log you into your Gulf Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password button underneath the password box and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Gulf Bank website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.